welcome to the 2014 edition of Christmas Baking with Chantel and Lisa.
So let's get started. You will need 1 cup of peanut butter, half a cup of margarine, 2 cups of chocolate chips, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 package of colored marshmallows.
So the first thing we're going to do is add our butter, peanut butter, and chocolate chips to the pot. And then we're going to put this on the stove, and then we melt them down. All melted together. We're going to take the vanilla, add it to the pot, and we're going to add our marshmallows. You take your mixture and pour it all into your 9x9 buttered pan. Have it. It's ready to set in the refrigerator. We'll come back when it's set.
You will need 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of corn syrup, 1 cup of peanut butter, 6 cups of Rice Krispie squares. Nope, just 6 cups of Rice Krispies, and 2 cups of chocolate chips. So in a medium saucepan, you're going to heat sugar and corn syrup over a medium heat. So you're just going to continue to stir your mixture occasionally, just so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan, and you just want to bring it to a boil. This does happen quite quickly, so you just need to keep an eye on it. Once your mixture has come to a boil, you're going to remove it from the heat and then add the peanut butter. So the next thing you're going to do is just add in your peanut butter. Just going to add the mixture to Rice Krispies. Okay, so you just want to continue to mix up your mixture until it looks like this, so all the Rice Krispies are completely coated. You need to work quite quickly because it starts to stick very easily. And then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take a greased container or baking tray, and you're just going to add Rice Krispies to it. And then once you've added all of your Rice Krispies to the sheet, you're just going to use your fingers to flatten the mixture. So once you finish pressing down your Rice Krispie mixture into the container, you're just going to take 2 cups of chocolate chips and microwave them in 1-minute intervals until it's completely melted. In between the 1 minute, you're going to stir them. Once your chocolate chips are melted, it'll look something like this. And you're just going to take this mixture and pour it over the flattened Rice Krispies. You will need 3 cups of egg noodles, 1 cup of chocolate chips, 3/4 cups of chopped peanuts, and half a cup of peanut butter.
I'd like to share with you a really simple and quick and easy recipe. It tastes really good too. It is the basic chocolate peanut butter chow mein noodle cookie drops. And here we go. You take your chocolate chips, stick them in the microwave, you melt them down, put them on 1 minute, stir, and then 30 seconds after that, just keep stirring until it's melted. Then I'll show you the rest when we come back. I take my noodles because they're too long when you get them from the store, and I just like to break them up by hand first, as well as, you know, I like to pre-chop my nuts too.
Go.
Now that the chocolate chips have been melted, I'm going to add my half a cup of peanut butter. Then I take my chopped nuts. I'm using peanuts. You can use whatever kind of nuts you want. Add my egg noodles to this mixture. This is where it gets difficult. So now you just take your spoon, slide them off onto your waxed paper, and then as they sit here, they will all harden up. These are tasting good.
You haven't tasted them yet.
Okay, I think I better switch to the bigger thing.
Why don't you add that to that?
Huh.
And then you're gonna take your Rice Krispies. Shit. And lose your spoon. Pause! And I like to put on a glove so that my hands don't get completely messy. And you're just gonna stir this mixture. Ooh, it is hot. Ow, the noodles